Dive into these jaw-dropping fish facts. Fact 1. Did you know some fish can walk on land? The mud skipper does just that. Fact 2. And get this, parrotfish sleep in a bubble of their own mucus. Talk about a sticky situation. Fact 3. The world's smallest fish is the Pediocyprus. Smaller than a penny. Fact 4. Ever heard of fish that glow in the dark? The lanternfish lights up the ocean. Fact 5. Believe it or not, goldfish have a longer memory than 3 seconds. They can remember things for months. Fact 6. The fastest fish? The black marlin, clocking in at 82 miles per hour. Fact 7. Pufferfish can inflate to twice their size. A real-life blow-up balloon. Fact 8. Seahorses are the only fish where males give birth. Talk about role reversal. Fact 9. The coelacanth was thought to be extinct for 65 million years, until one was found alive. Fact 10. Some fish can change gender. Clownfish can switch from male to female. Think you knew fish? Time to dive deeper.